Hello, welcome back to Build It Like Billy. For the next few videos we're going to have a go at building some paper planes. We're going to build a glider for the first video. Second video we're going to build one called the Moth. And for the third video we're going to build a plane that looks a bit like a fighter plane with two small wings at the front. Right, let's get started with a glider. First thing we need to do is fold our piece of paper in half lengthways. We want to make sure when we do this that we line both corners up as perfectly as possible. And we can press down nice and hard and make a nice sharp crease. Then we're going to open it up, fold upwards, and now we can fold in the two front corners of our plane, making sure that the edge of the paper lines up nicely with the centre fold of the plane. Once it's in position, we can fold it flat. And then again we do the other side. Line up the edge of the paper with the centre fold. When it's in the right place, we can fold it flat. We're going to repeat this now. We're going to fold in the edges again. And again we're going to make sure that the outside edge lines up nicely with the centre fold of the plane. When we've got it nicely lined up, we can fold it flat. Again, pressing down to make sure it's a nice sharp fold. And we repeat this on the other side. Right, the next stage, we want to fold the front of the plane back to where the wings meet the centre of the paper. Can be a little bit fiddly. Once you've lined it up nicely, so check everything's lined up. Once we've got it all perfect, we can flatten it out. Right, so this side's the bottom of our plane and this side's the top. So now we're going to fold it in half. When we fold it in half, we need to make sure that the front corner that we folded back sits nice and tightly against the bottom of the plane. Hold it firm, then we can flatten out all of our creases. Right, the next stage is to fold our wings out. At the front, we want to be about halfway along the front edge. Make a little fold here. At the back edge, we want to make sure that the edge of the plane lines up with the back corner of the fuselage. Just here. Once it's all lined up nicely, we can flatten it out. And again, we're going to repeat this with the other wing. So halfway down the front, making sure it lines up with the other wing. And to make sure the wings are even, we're going to line up the back corners here. Once we've got it all level, we flatten it down. And that is our basic plane made. And open it up and lift the wings slightly. This gives us a positive dihedral angle, which just means the wings are pointing upwards slightly. Basically, it just allows the plane to act a little bit like a pendulum, making it fly a lot more stable. Lift up the corners of the wings at the back. This just gives it a little bit of extra lift and hopefully make our planes go a little bit further. That's it complete. When we hold our plane ready to throw, we want to hold it just behind the tip that we folded back. We want to make sure the wings are bent up slightly to give it stability. Let's give it a go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click on the thumbs up icon below and give us a like. And if you'd like to see more things to make and create, click on the subscribe button in the corner of the screen or on the red subscribe button below and check out our channel.